This engine was not imported. It was not copied. It was built from scratch in Africa. Before factories, before mass production, before modern tools, this engine becomes the foundation of Kantanka technology, and this is how it is built. Apostle Kwadwo Kantanka speaks about the making of his first self-made engine block. He explains that he does not want to copy foreign designs. He wants to understand the engine from the very beginning and build it by hand. This engine becomes both a machine and a classroom.
One will be chasing Foundry, said the CIA and none in a dear, and in the tea media, and young who didn't do my idea, yano, and to me, more who say, one no any school can see a beyond pool, a year SS, SHS, and your coy.
At the Foundry department, work happens in 3 main sections: pattern making, molding and casting, and machinery. One of Apostle Safo's students explains the full process from wood to metal.
Foundry department. Foundry department no, ya chemwa hodo miensa. Ya wa pattern making section, ya wa molding and casting section, and na ya wa machinery. Na me pato ye ni na ya machine part ho adwuma.
Pattern making is the foundation of the engine. Here, wooden patterns are created for 6-cylinder engine blocks, V8 engine blocks, valve covers, oil bases.
There were different types of patterns where a solid pattern, a bomba could say. And now you was split patterns, and only a chema who do me. And now you want multi-piece patterns, a be a engine block, no, me pato, and also say na, and also etie, ya chemu and who do.
Different types of patterns are used: solid patterns, split patterns, full engine block patterns. Apostle Safo personally teaches the pattern makers to use chisels and hammers to shape the engine patterns by hand. Every curve, cavity, and dimension is carved with precision.
Na ohun say so kas wo hiefu a ade bia obehye ba sa ade we ya friend fortisie no eno no be ne den enhye wo hyeda ade nua ekogugu ho epegja tumu na de tia nete na cha de a sa ade ye fortisie e wo den sronku bia etimi gina eja no enti wo fa sa nua we bi enya nua hodo be miensa no de fry e na wonya sa molding soil we enti wonya nua we no owie ye na otu ni din ya bore na yensa cannot here.
After pattern making, the process moves to the molding section. Apostle Safo creates a special molding soil using different types of sand, anthill or termite mold soil, and fine soil. This custom mixture is strong, heat resistant, and capable of capturing fine engine details. The wooden engine pattern is pressed into the mold, preparing it for casting. At the casting stage, multiple metals are combined and melted together. The metals include aluminium, magnesium, brass, copper, zinc, nickel, silicon, cast iron, alloy, alusilicon. The metals are melted in a furnace until they reach pouring temperature. Once ready, the molten metal is poured into the prepared mold. This step transforms sand into solid engineering. When the mold is opened, the cast metal is revealed. The result is a V8 engine valve cover produced entirely in-house. The casted component is taken to the machinery section for cleaning, polishing, and finishing.
Mahumi ahanom Apostle Dr. Kwadwo Safo Engineer 1 ne machine shop ni enie se na medi kan no ya cast your machine parts ni wi a ya the bread machine shop for me kan inlet manifold no me pacho enie eno na omode aba be hye machine mu no na machines no your machines ahodo bebre ya wa knitting machine ya wa milling machine ya wa shaping machine ya wa radial machine enti pacho inlet manifold no omode aba be hye milling machine mu enti milling machine dwuma edie e wa casted item ni mu ne say Ebeyi unwanted particles ni na afiri mu. Ansa na mo de akwa kwose radial machine ansa na o ma ball and tokontokro na ewo wo mu no. Eno na mpacho mo hu se me nua bema no eye wo honom no. Mo ne mbe ya adwen say engine block entimi nya solid. Se engine block eye solid a ehefa e na wo timing chain bewo. Ehefa na flying wheel bewo. Ehefa na obe create wo crank chambers ama. Ehefa e na oil galleries ebewo. Wo water jacket enso bewo. Enti Apostle Dr. Engineer 1 ehu say wo de part ni esti mode ni say awie na wonue ese wo pe kwan be so a obetimi a create sa host ni na egwom. Enti ano so odanya foforo buy mpacho enu nie. Sa nua we your friend fine soil. Sa nua we e na wo de ye ne course no. Enti no wo de buy des bi fra na aban de no ene na yedini yi intokro na ewo mold ni mu ni na no enti mpacho ba bia ensuo fa wo engine mu no sa call we ene create sa position e ma me pacho eninie ne nan na mo hu se epiepie wa ha no pacho ne na epiepie wa ha no sei no enu nie sa call we ene create wo linings ne e ma enti ewia ye de ko machine shop a na wo ma ball ansa na line ansa na piston no aba
to create internal spaces in the engine block. Cores are produced. Apostle Safo uses fine soil mixed with special binders to form these cores. The cores create crank chambers, timing chain passages, flywheel spaces, water jackets. The cores are positioned inside the foundation mold before casting. After casting, the cores are removed, revealing the internal structure of the engine block. Apostle Safo creates his own engine linings. The linings are made using cast iron, grinded palm nut, crushed seashells. This unique mixture strengthens the engine and improves durability. The inlet manifold for the V8 engine is revealed. All cores used for the engine block are displayed, including timing chain side core, flywheel side core, crank chamber core, water jacket core.
Orasa fua bagana so beje bibi mai efiani guasie enti mumie mwano Orasa fua bagana so beje bibi mai efiani guasie enti mumie mwano Monsieur Namie Chome Wesha oh my God, hey wesha oh my God. Wanyamia shome wesha oh my God. Wanyamia shome wesha posu kwa. When you miss me, you wish you were my God. You ask me, Penina, one fan can be Coco Damo, Timbani Bossai, Aluminium Nina, one fan can be. That's the way when you let you know, my Gususia Pini. When you let you know, Africa Gususia Pini. Yafa won't bring Papa, Nani Jumadi, Yafa Tapo, so self-watching and you bring on Moses. On your mission, we were supposed to go yourself for. Monsieur, your mission, we show my gun. When your mission, we show my gun. When your mission, we show my gun. When your mission, we supposed to go yourself for. found here, every abroad with him. Miss on your mere show me, you wish show my gun. On your mere show me, you wish show my gun. On your mere show me, you wish show my gun. When your mere show me, you wish show post to quit yourself for. When you may show me, you will show my gun. We are so many penny now, one fan come in. Cocoa damo, timbani bonsai, aluminium nina, one fan come in. That's the way when you know chino, my gususia pini. When you know chino, Africa gususia pini. Yafa one brown papa, Nani Jumadi, Yafa tapo, so watching you and you bring on Musa. On your mere show me, was supposed to go yourself for. Monsieur, on your mere show me, was show my gun. On your mere show me, was show my gun. On your mere show me, was show my gun. On your mere show me, was supposed to go yourself for. Show my gun. When you may show me, we show my gun. Yes, when you penny now, one fan coming. Cocoa damo, timbani bonsai. That's the way when you know my gususi and pini.
The complete V8 engine block is shown, cleaned, polished, and machined to precise dimensions. The ignition turns, the engine starts and runs. This confirms that the process works, not in theory, but in reality. Before today's V8 engine, before foundries and departments, there is a beginning. In the 1990s, Apostle Kwajusafo Kantanka built his first handmade car right here in Ghana. The engine is not imported, the knowledge is not borrowed, the car moves under its own power. This movement proves something powerful. African engineering works then and now. In the next episode, we'll look at the very first handmade car by Apostle Kwajusafo Kantanka.
Enti, and I'm the music say, me, Masori, me base, me bejinipa, ma bowo, ma menipa huato, meni jimu, na mi shiramu, on shiram penimfo, no shira Ghana, no shiram rantie, no shira mabawa nyina. Say African star Kantanka.
From the first handmade engine to a fully cast V8 engine block, this is not a story of the past. This is a foundation for the future.